Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, locha. Advocate Teffo, who is the lawyer for 4 of the accused in Senzomeyiwa murder trial, was subjected to a Hollywood-style arrest last month for failing to appear in court for his contempt case. Advocate Teffo said that he was advised not to challenge the validity of the warrant arrest against him that resulted in his dramatic arrest inside the Pretoria High Court. Teffo went on saying that he had laid a complaint against the magistrate presiding over his case. Still maintains that his arrest was unlawful. He said, "I was advised accordingly that, look, you don't have to make any argument. You don't have to bring anything that causes longevity to this process of releasing on bail. We just want to see you released on bail, and then the rest will follow." Please subscribe for more news. Thanks for watching. Bye, good people.